Hey guys, Brittany here. We are doing a delicious Superfood Pink Tropical Smoothie today. Let's get started. Okay, so today what we're gonna need is half a banana, half a cup of raspberries, 4 cherry plums, half a grapefruit, and half the juice of a lemon. And of course, 1 scoop of our Superfood Pink lemonade. All right, so half a banana, half a grapefruit. So I love grapefruit because grapefruit is really low in calories and it is full of nutrients. We're gonna do 4 cherry plums. Plums are really good for your metabolism and your nervous system. Half a cup of raspberries and the juice of half of a lemon. And then the star of the show, 1 scoop of Superfood Pinks pink lemonade. We're gonna add some ice, add a little water, and now we blend it. Wow, that is really delicious. Try it out for yourself. Let me know what you think. And until next time, guys, see you.